This lady's back in action. Beautiful.
Welcome to the island of Puerto Rico, United States territory here in the Caribbean Sea. Puerto Ricans are American citizens. However, there is a distinct culture in Puerto Rico, as evidenced by the signage and everyone speaking Spanish. It feels like a different country. One of the reasons I like coming to Puerto Rico, first of all, it's only a 2-hour flight from Florida, where I live. Second of all, it feels like I'm in another country, but I don't need a passport to get here. Driver's license on the plane, and we're in the jungles of Puerto Rico, an otherworldly experience. Headed up this road, maybe half hour up this road before we get the party started for the day. Already you can see the beautiful mountains and the jungle of Puerto Rico. So it might rain a little bit today, but the sun is definitely strong. And I think most of the day is going to be sunny. A few sprinkles here and there. I'll be checking out some amazing hidden waterfalls here on our first day in Puerto Rico. Well, there's a waterfall around here somewhere. Go to where you can see and then let me know. Slide. What? Yeah. Oh. I think right side looks like. Probably longer because in high flow this probably gets covered. Rope. Whoops. I'm okay. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful Puerto Rico. Oh, yeah. Wow. What else? What else is in store for us? Okay, the rope is definitely down, so. This lady's back in action. How does it feel to be back in action, ma'am?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Good. Not bad for the first day in Puerto Rico. Nice little canyon, 135 foot drop there to finish it off. Pretty sure this is the end of the canyon. A little bit of hiking in the creek. Sure there's no gators here? But I'm getting hot.
Are you standing?
I could stand up, but I'm like crawling now. It's getting shallower right now. Oh. Yeah.
The bottom half is very high.
Oh yeah.
I got in the water.
Huh.
Oh, that feels good.
I know.
Yeah, let's go. Let's do it.
No, it's getting shallow.
No, let's float.
So there's rocks up there. Oh, like this? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I don't feel like I'm floating really.
Scuttle you.
Oh, you're gonna scuttle me? Okay.
Running.
Oh, you're
running.
I feel like my butt is dragging in the gravel now. I feel like there's not much floating happening.
Why are you not good?
It's like 10 inches deep. I don't think there's any floating happening.
Yeah.
That last waterfall that we rappelled, the 135 foot drop, I believe it's Plazuela Falls, is actually on Google Maps, and you can hike to the bottom of that waterfall, but you know, it's more of a, what you call a creek stomp up this river, and then a little ways up you have to hang a left. But it's a beautiful waterfall. Highly recommend it. If the river's not flowing too high, it's relatively easy to get there if you don't mind walking across some slippery rocks, getting wet. And I think when it's further into dry season, because we're still getting a little bit of rain here, I think this river clears up quite nicely. It's a little dirty because we got a little rain today, a little rain yesterday, so I think it's just flushing the mud from the cliffs into the river. A couple more months, maybe March, April, I think this river will be nice, lower flow, crystal clear pools. I've seen pictures like that, and it'll be even easier to get up to that waterfall that we rappelled. Sam back in action. As always, she does not like to be on camera that much, but I caught a few sneaky shots of my wife. She is back in the adventure zone. Plenty more coming from Puerto Rico. In the meantime, get out there and find your adventure and be infamous.
Infamous.